Something went wrong. If you have seen this error, you are not alone. ChatGPT now has over 1 billion monthly active users, and this error has frustrated every single one of them. Today, I will show you exactly how to fix it. Every variant, every cause, every solution, all in one comprehensive guide.
Let us start with the different ways this error shows up. The most common one is the generic "something went wrong" message. Then there is the variant, which usually points to account issues. The network error means your WebSocket connection has dropped. The stream error indicates the response was interrupted mid-generation. And the run failed message appears when Sora or image generation fails. Each variant points to a completely different root cause.
Here is the universal 5-minute recovery sequence that you should always try first. Step 1. Save your prompt and any partial output to protect your work. Step 2. Click Regenerate just once. One-time failures recover instantly. Step 3. Check if other chats also fail to determine if it is a widespread outage. Step 4. Start a fresh chat with a short prompt. If the new chat works, the old thread is broken. Step 5. Try incognito mode. If it works there, you have an extension or cache issue. Step 6. Switch to your mobile hotspot to rule out VPN or DNS problems. Step 7. Split your request into smaller chunks. And Step 8. If nothing works, collect evidence and contact support.
Now, let us go deeper with network-level fixes. First, turn off your VPN completely. Disable NordVPN threat protection if you use it. Second, change your DNS to Google's 8.8.8 in or Cloudflare's 1.1.1. Then flush your DNS cache with the command ipconfig/flush DNS. If you use Pi-hole, whitelist xyz.chatgpt.com immediately. For browser fixes, do a hard refresh with Ctrl-Shift-R, clear cookies for OpenAI.com, and disable ad blockers. Finally, log out, clear all cookies, and log back in to refresh your session.
If you are on mobile, here are the specific fixes you need to know. First, close the app and reopen it from the app switcher. Second, clear the app cache on Android through Settings, Apps, and ChatGPT. Third, on iOS, offload and reinstall the app to get a clean slate. Fourth, make sure mobile data is enabled for ChatGPT in your phone settings. Fifth, disable low power mode because battery saver throttles JavaScript-heavy apps. And sixth, update the app since many bugs are patched in minor version updates. These fixes resolve the vast majority of mobile-specific issues.
Finally, here is how to never see this error again. Bookmark status.openai.com and check it first when errors occur. Use only the official app from OpenAI and never third-party wrappers. Keep your browser updated since ChatGPT relies on modern web APIs. Disable your VPN during login to avoid triggering security flags. Whitelist OpenAI domains in your Pi-hole to prevent silent blocking. Start new chats regularly and split complex prompts into smaller steps. And clear your browser cache after every major OpenAI update. You are now fully equipped to fix any ChatGPT error that comes your way. If this guide helped you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment telling us which fix worked for you.
Here is the outage history you need to know about. In December 2024, ChatGPT crashed the day after Christmas, taking down Sora and the API as well. March 2025 brought the famous Studio Ghibli crash with thousands of reports on Down Detector. Then came the massive 12-hour blackout in June 2025, accounting for 88% of Down Detector complaints. February 2026 saw a major North American outage and another multi-service hit in May 2026. These outages keep happening, so you need to know how to handle them.
Now, let us break down the 4 categories of failure. First, server-side issues like traffic overload and deployment bugs. Second, client-side problems such as cache corruption, extension conflicts, and VPN interference. Third, account and session issues including expired tokens, rate limiting, and context overflow. And fourth, content and prompt problems like overly complex requests and token limit exceeded. Understanding these categories is the key to fixing the error quickly.
When the problem is on OpenAI's end, there is not much you can do except wait. Traffic overload happens when over 1 million users per hour hit the servers simultaneously. Deployment bugs occur when OpenAI pushes model updates and infrastructure patches. And WebSocket failures cause your response to cut off mid-generation without any warning. The best thing to do is to monitor the official status page and wait for resolution.
Now let's look at what's happening on your end. Cache corruption is the most common culprit. Stale cookies and cached JavaScript bundles send invalid session data after UI updates. The fix is simple. Clear your cache for OpenAI.com. Extension conflicts come next. Ad blockers and script blockers often interfere with WebSocket streaming. Test in incognito mode to confirm. VPN and proxy users should disable their VPN entirely, as shared IPs are frequently flagged by Cloudflare. If you use a Pi-hole, make sure to whitelist xyz.chatgpt.com, otherwise the page loads but responses fail silently. Cloudflare Warp can also cause issues. Use split tunneling to exclude OpenAI domains. And finally, check your connection stability, since packet loss or high latency causes WebSocket timeouts. You are now fully equipped to fix any ChatGPT error that comes your way. If this guide helped you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment telling us which fix worked for you.